Okay, guys, we're going to go to Ask Scruff and into Traders Clinic. So let's flick this over. Little salute to Justin. Question for you. It's kind of two questions here. Building on the convo last night about Bitcoin being kind to me, it has been kind to me, just simply because there's a lot of data in it. And you've been looking at it for 2 months. Would you be able to show us your process to trade Bitcoin and any gotcha you watch out for? Right. Well, the thing with Ask Scruff, like we said from the start, is it's about simple questions. The process is where the scruff. It always is. So it's not a case of just giving me your strategy. And the gotchas that you've got to watch out for is very simple. It's really fast. And if you get it wrong, you really know about it. Now, when I post results, and yes, I do, there are small positions. I'll kind of give you a case in point. Let me flick this over. I was running it earlier, and the positions are incredibly small in relation to what the account is. Now, here, you can see I've got Kylie's sets up. No problem at all. Look for the quick bounces off levels, just the same. So the process is identical. The reason the positions look erratic is I am really tiptoeing with it. Because it moves incredibly quick, I'll build it up till I'm absolutely confident. So I'll go in 10p's, even though I could go in quite easily with 2 or 3 quid. I don't. Just 10p, 10p, 10p. And then when I start seeing the flush coming, which is when the market is starting to accelerate, I might put a final position in at a quid and poof, catch it. But that's when it's on a level. Sometimes you can do it in reverse, where you can actually think, do you know something? I only want to be a quick snap on this, so I'm going to go in with a quid. But the positions are really small in relation to the account. And the reason being is when this thing moves and you're on the wrong side of it, you really know about it. So that's why the positions look small. But it's like everything else. Because it moves very quickly, it means you can get a half decent. So you can put your 10 pence in, and before you know it, you got 2 or 3 quid. You know, and there is the argument of, oh, well, if I put more money in, I'd have had a fortune. Well, the money's irrelevant. The money is just a byproduct of doing the job. And the job with Bitcoin is be careful. So that's the gotcha. Be very careful. It moves quick. And if you don't gauge it right, it'll hurt you. It'll hurt you really badly. But as a chart, because of the age of it and the amount of data in it, I can map it out just the same as anything else. And as you've just seen on that chart that went in, the tail on the last candle went to the pip against the fib level. So the levels are respected. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.